Hey Karen, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Wanted to introduce myself briefly before we did our roof assessment here on your home. Sorry you had to deal with the leaking on your skylight. It was such a new roof that should have never happened. So as you can see, we use video effectively to better communicate with our customers. Everyone's living a busy life. No one really has time lately to sit down, actually go through all of the maintenance options. So I'm going to quickly walk around the roof with you here, kind of talk about what we noticed. We also have a photo report that's been annotated on each photo through Company Cam, so we'll send you that link. And then down below, you'll notice a few different bundled maintenance options that you could combine. Instead of paying us a la carte for a number of services, you can make sure we get your gutters maintained, your skylight thing fixed, seal up any exposed nails, trim up any of your trees, remove the debris, get the gutters cleaned, put a guard over it. So, number of maintenance options we can potentially help you with here. First of all, thanks for the opportunity allowing me to come here and present these options. Overall, shingles are surviving and doing a decent job for a 10-year-old shingle. I don't notice a lot of organic growth, so maybe just a little bit over here, which is really good, but we typically like to look for any signs of degranulation on the shingle, lifting up the tabs, seeing how flexible your shingles are, but your tabs are still glued down really nice, not able to get those to move. So not too concerned there. Anytime we see exposed nails on a roof, we want to get those sealed up, prevent any possible future leak areas. Yeah, so the definite sponginess area is going on right in here. Maybe you can see me just walking on the middle here, and I feel like I'm teetering on a joist right in here. Yeah, I think maybe you can see that in the... So it's like a weeble wobble. And so the best plan, I believe, at this point would be remove the shingles around your skylights, all the way around right in here. We're going to figure out what's going on with the loose sheeting and joists down in there. Make the appropriate carpentry repairs. And we're going to apply proper ice and water shield, proper step flashing, and then reshingle everything at that point. So that quote is available a la carte down below, but let's continue on with the rest of your roof. This looks like an original soil pipe here from your electrical mast. So I'd like to get that updated. It's looking pretty rough before it becomes a problem. So, and then we want to get all these trees trimmed away from the house as best as we can to prevent any damage on your gutter. You got a good gutter, got good brackets here. Gutter guards never were installed that great. They're kind of starting to fall away from the house. Especially the gutter over here is probably going to fall off within the next 6 months, if anything. It's got no brackets holding up. They've come off. You can see how they've bent. They're just not holding in. I mean, I could just bend this with my fingers if I wanted to, but unfortunately those are not holding, so we got to get the new updated brackets there. I shouldn't have to be hitting my head on trees when I'm on a roof, so we want to get these trimmed back a little bit. Part of our maintenance repair service. Overall, I'm going to give you a bid for like essentials, tune-up repair, maintenance services that we definitely want to get taken care of right away. There are other elective services that we can do to continue to extend and prolong the life of your shingles. You have a good roof, we want to maintain that. So potentially adding a conditioning coating to your roof. Let me take you to your gutter here. So over time, these granulars shed off your roof. The sun bakes and dries your shingles, and then they start shedding shingle granulars at an accelerated rate. Yeah, see, we want to avoid that. Thanks for watching this video. Check the maintenance options down below. Financing options that you can take advantage of. Postpone the payments until you're ready. You know. Super simple. Use somebody else's money and reduce the amount of interest that you may have to pay by just paying it off right away and not extending it out on a longer term, which would lead to the higher interest. So look forward to helping you out. My name is Eddie, owner-operator, Beloit, Wisconsin. We specialize in helping homeowners rejuvenate, restore their roof, and making all these necessary minor repairs so you can have peace of mind that your roof isn't going to leak and your interior insulation and drywall isn't going to have any future problems. No more problems. Get her done. Catch you later.